In this video, we will learn how to build an API using ChatGPT and earn money by selling it. Rapid API is a marketplace for buying and selling APIs. Just look at this. Basketball API, Recipe API, Text Translator, and many other APIs. All of these APIs are making lots of money. Every API has subscription plans, so it will be monthly recurring revenue. Let's check out APIs in the Tools category. QR Code API, Temp Mail API, App Stores API, YouTube Video Download API. Take a look at this QR Code API. This is the pricing of this API. Let's build our own API like this QR Code Generator API. Go to ChatGPT and type code for Python Flask API server that takes GET request with URL as a string and converts it to QR code image and sends it back as API response. Now ChatGPT is generating code for our API. You have to be specific about your API functionality so that ChatGPT can generate code according to that. As I mentioned, the GET method takes the URL parameter and returns the QR code image. Our code is ready. Now let's copy this code and paste it into the qr.py file and save it. Now let's run this with the Python qr.py command, and you can see the server is started. This is the demo request. Copy and paste this into the search bar, and we get our QR code image. Let's change the URL value. We got a new QR code image. This is working. Let's make the response image downloadable. Go to ChatGPT and type how to make the image downloadable. And now, ChatGPT is modifying our code so that the QR code image gets downloaded automatically. Copy this code and paste it into the qr.py file. Let's run this file, and our server has started. Send the request by refreshing the page, and you can see that image is downloaded. Let's try a few different URLs. And every time the image gets downloaded automatically, our API is ready. Now it's time to deploy it to the cloud. I will use Python anywhere, but you can use Google Cloud, Amazon, or any other platform. Just sign up, and you will see this dashboard. Click on the Open Web App. Click on Add New Web App. Click on Next. Click on the Flask. Choose Python version. Click on Next. Scroll down and go to Directory. Open this file. Copy and paste our Python code here. Save this file. Click on Web. Now reload our server. Let's open this in a new tab. This error is just because we don't have any default route. Copy our demo request query parameters with the path and paste them here, and you can see the image is downloaded. Let's try another URL. Our API is live and working. Now it's time to publish our API on the Rapid API website. Go to rapidapi.com and sign up. You will see this dashboard. Click on My APIs. Click on Add API Project. Fill out some details. Now click on Hub Listing. Fill in some details about your API. Enter the base URL of your API server. Now click on Endpoints. Click on Create REST Endpoint. Now add query parameters. Save this. Click View in Hub. This is a testing area to test whether our API is working or not. Click this button Test Endpoint, and you can see we got response code 200 and QR code image as a response. Our API is working. Now click on Monetize. Let's add pricing. You can set the price to anything. I just set up 3 customer plans. And we are done. Our API is live and available for everyone. When someone subscribes to our API, we will get paid. Let's check the search for QR code API and add some filters to the search, and here is my API. This is my API, and I built this using ChatGPT. You can build your own API and sell it on Rapid API. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.